Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how arithmetic operations works with tuples and what are some of the commonly used methods with tuple. So we have studied how arithmetic operation works for strings and lists. For tuples also it's very similar. Here I have two tuples, 1, 2. If I use this plus operator with two tuples, then two tuples will be joined. Okay, they will become one like here. If I multiply a tuple by a number, that means this tuple will have these elements repeated 3 times. Like here I have 1, 2, 3, 1 set, 2 set and third set, because I'm multiplying by 3. If I multiply by 5, it will repeat that set 5 times. Okay, and if you use this multiplication operator before the tuple, it will remove parentheses and commas. And this was very similar in list. List also have the same operations. Now if I try to subtract or divide, it will not work. So we will get an error. So only these operations are possible. Now here I am multiplying a number. Instead of multiplying, if I divide it, it will not work. Okay. So if I try to multiply, it's not working. So sorry, division is not working, multiplication will work. Okay, so these operations are only possible, rest they are not possible. Now we have studied many methods related to list, but when it comes to tuples, they are not very flexible, so they have very few methods. Okay, here I have a tuple object. If I want to see the method, I can simply say Control C dot tab. I can see only 2 functions. So we don't, sorry, these are not functions, these are methods. So I can only see 2 methods. Okay, and let's talk about these methods. Count method, as the name says, it will count whatever value you are giving. It will tell you how many times this value is occurring in the tuple. Now I have here 1, 1, 2, 3 times. So if I run the count, I will get 3. Now index, what is index? It will give you the index of first occurrence. Now I'm looking for what is the index of 1. 1 is occurring here, 1 is occurring here, 1 is occurring here. So I have 3 ones. It will return me the first occurrence index. This is 0 index, 1 index, second index. So I'm getting second here. Okay. So these are the only 2 methods with that we can use with tuples, because they are not flexible. If I want to add something to a tuple, I can't do it. I want to delete it, you can't do it. Okay, so these are the only 2 methods that are available to tuples. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.